When you're looking for a brand new integrated cooling appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. If you're buying an integrated upright freezer, you'll only need to check the height dimension, which can vary from 88 to 178 centimeters. You don't need to worry about the width or depth, as these are standard size, measuring around 55 centimeters. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can relax and enjoy your new appliance.